into it. Alrighty.
Hot chocolate.
Hot
Christmas drink.
chocolate. Who was this
So,
for?
I haven't given it to them yet, but because I had COVID over Christmas, so
I'm sorry to hear, so did I.
yes, I'm sorry. I think this is going to my mom and my stepdad. Very important. So it's got to be good. So we'll see if if it came out good.
Did you draw this knowing you would be giving it to your mommy?
Shut up. Do you know that you can, like, the temperature of chocolate you can change?
I prefer my chocolate cold.
Oh, well. So does Santa, but
I mean, I'd say the Grinch if anybody.
yeah, the Grinch likes that, actually. You're right.
Probably doesn't like hot chocolate at all, or chocolate.
Yeah.
Does he?
I
problem?
hate him.
Actually,
He doesn't
you know
like Christmas,
what?
so I want to, like, put hot, like, I want it to be hot so that I can pour it down his throat so he can burn.
I think he was a victim, actually, of abuse of the village.
Oh.
They bullied him.
Yeah.
So,
I
of
forgot
course,
about
like, they
that.
shunned him. Like, they wanted him to leave.
Oh.
I would act like that, too.
Oh.
Bunch of...
Yeah, I would act out in anger, you're right.
Oh! Frothy! Hot chocolate.